paid on the bill, numerous amount of times, but chain events transpired, but then, a large amount of money was confiscated within this case, so the case is still pending, so,
What did they do? You don't want to disclose?
Yeah.
I hope you just start dealing drugs after you got your degree.
I mean, well, no, in my city, they gonna say you did drugs anywhere you go. If you got money in your pocket, you automatically deal drugs, So,
is that what they said to you?
Yeah,
They said you automatically deal drugs.
Yeah, automatically, just because the amount of money that's,
Did you tell them you had a college degree and did you tell them where you worked?
They know I have a college degree.
Did you tell them where you worked?
Yeah.
And you told them you made this amount of money from work? And they didn't agree?
No, they
How
didn't.
did they know you had a college degree?
Because I was in the paper.
That is too loud.
Yeah, I played basketball.
Oh, really?